You know what? I'm very touched and proud at the same time because of these books. I'll tell you why. This is the first one, and this is the second one. I feel like these two books represent the development of my daughter's, let's say, language development or vocabulary development, because we started introducing this book to her when she was like 5 months. She was so little back then, and we introduced her to the vocabulary of animals through these books. That's her sound, by the way. So the book's like showing pictures of animals, and it also goes along with the name of the animals. For example, like this one. So you got squirrel, and this is also a flip. What do you say? Yeah. So it's like a flip flap book kind of thing. So you can actually flip the picture. What are babies? Then you can like flip it, and you got another picture of it. This is how my daughter started to learn vocabulary by knowing the animals' vocabulary. And then as the time goes by, so I feel like she kind of started to be interested in more complicated books, which is this one. So what I'm trying to say is that we're moving from this simple book about animals to this more complicated book about, it's not actually about animals, but inside this book there are a lot of animal pictures, and the story also contains like a journey of a girl, an adventure in a world, and in that adventure the girl meets a lot of animals. Like for example, she goes to the ocean and sees whales and a lot of fish. She also goes to savannah to see like wild animals, rhinos, zebras, buffaloes, and so on. This is what my daughter likes the most because she loves elephants a lot. So in this part you can see like there is a baby elephant playing with water, and there's also a part where the girl meets bears. Yeah, this is also her favorite. So you can see how it transforms, right? So from the very simple book, which only contains pictures alongside with names, to a very detailed story. Not only the illustrations, but it also has the text. My daughter really loves it now. So that's what I mean by transforming or developing. So from the very basic, simple book, only vocabulary and names of the animals, to books with a lot of illustrations and also text. And with the context, there's also a story in it. So that's amazing. I'm very thankful to have these two books. Like the themes of these two books is about animals, but they have different structure, they have different complexity. It is good to be provided to children to learn and also to grow.